technique of playing this, you always have to give it a bit of friction. I guess it could have been an African violin, but we just played with our mouth.